everyone, very warm welcome. Very short summary video of our Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 5. This was taught in today's class, which is the 26th of September 2022. If you're in my video library and you're looking for the full class, it's the 90-minute combination of quick step and Rumba for the 26th of September. And if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much. Do consider hitting the subscribe and the notification bell so you get alerts as to when I am posting these little summary recaps. Now, this built on the routine that we did about 5 or 6 weeks ago, the last time we visited the Rumba. So, last section of that routine, and these are all very traditional steps from our syllabus work. I will tell you if I've added anything in or changed timing or done anything with a little bit of artistic license, because this is just fun dancing at home to give us an idea of what these dances are. We are not being marked or examined on them. Okay, so starting with my right foot with the weight on it, I'm going to rock onto the one step to get the timing. I'm going to do back rock, which is one half of closed basic, and step slightly out to the side and slight rotation. This is in preparation, it's just a preparation basic, because I'm going to do the reverse top, okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 bars for the reverse top. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and slight under rotation. I'm just going to close the foot there so that I'm facing that wall, only because I have more room this way. If you have more room front to back, in front of your screen, then adjust your body position. I need a little bit longer distance to walk. I'm going to do back and place, weight onto that, spiral. So my weight was on the right leg with a left hand spiral. I'm going to walk out and turn again into the Aida. Walk, walk, step back. Little rocks, forwards, back, forwards. Bring that leg in and come around for a fencing line. Down and out. And then I'm going to do a spot turn. Okay? So quite traditional steps today. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3. Close my feet. Sliding doors. If you have or haven't done sliding doors, doesn't matter. It's a nice simple step if you don't have to relate it to anything else. Done on its own, without thinking about going into fans and where the partner is, it's actually really easy. I'm going to be doing the lady steps, the follower steps, so I've got a back and then a side. Now obviously I need to put my arms, and I'm going to put big movement in, and I'm going to be transferring the weight on the hips. That can come later, but it's essentially back right, side left. Do that twice over. It only becomes challenging when you're trying to get into it and out of it with a partner and add the other figures on. So I would have done my spot turn, close my feet, and I'm going to go straight into the sliding doors. There we go, twice over. And another back rock preparation. I'm going to imagine I'm in shadow hold with my partner here. Back rock preparation, and then 6 walks. I'm going left, I like left. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6. Small circle just to get me back to where I was. Okay, so sliding doors, half basic preparation, 6 walks. We get back to here. Okay, now once we are here, I added in a couple of little footwork steps just to make it a bit more challenging. So I close the feet, I then put the weight into the right leg, and I'm going to do a little ronde to a hook. I'm then going to pivot around. I need to go onto the balls of the feet so that my heels don't get stuck together. And you'll find that your legs wind around again. Let's look at that again. I finish the walks, I come in, small ronde, tuck, twist, 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 sit, put the weight into the front leg, like a little plie on the left leg. Bring this one through and delicately place it across. Get the weight onto it, squeezing the tops of the thighs, and a swivel. Step, swivel, step, swivel, step, swivel in, face the front, and a big explosion to the right. That's pretty much all of the routine. Let me go through it slowly, call out all the names, then we do it with the timing. So, half a basic, reverse top, that will be for 3 bars. Half a basic, spiral, walk out for the Aida, rocks, fencing line, spot turn, sliding doors. You can do some arms, you can do some nice big arms. Here, imagine your shadow position, half a basic preparation, 6 walks through, a ronde tuck, pivot, drop, over, swivel, 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 and explosion. Okay? Now with the numbers, so I won't necessarily have enough breath to call out the names of the move, but I'm going to call out the numbers of the music. Don't forget, I'm very challenged with the music that I can use on YouTube, and whilst I haven't had an official strike, I have had a number of things where YouTube just lets me know that the music has been identified as copyright. Even some of the ones that I found on the copyright-free places, they're still coming up with copyright, and I don't really want to upset the YouTube, okay? So, these are just done without music for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. Turn 1, drop, up, and here, 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 and open. Let me just break the last little bit down. I didn't explain that earlier, did I? I'm going 2, 3, 4 for the ronde. Get it in and hook it by 4. Pivot around on the 1 like you would do if you were doing a spiral. This then comes up, 2, 3, place down on 4, swivel on 1. Step through on 2, swivel on 3, step through on 4, swivel on 1, and so on. So I'm actually using this quite fast for 2 beats. Okay, you can do as many of them as you want. Make sure if your floor's a bit sticky or you're not able to do this on a wooden floor, if you're doing it on carpet at home, just be careful with the swivels with the knees. Okay, so if that is a problem, then I would just do step, tap, or something. Just be careful of those knees. That is it, guys. That was just our Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 5, taught on the 26th of September 2022, and that is our short summary recap. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.